Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Arvind and you are watching Arvind's e-class. You remember last time we discussed about domain name system. If you haven't watched this video, I will give their link. You can watch it once again. And sometimes you feel like there should be a kind of a software where you could write your experience daily basis, and even you could publish it online, that would be visible all over the world. Do you feel this kind of a need in your life? So there is a one solution. Actually, this is the topic of today's class. So, and that is called blog, B-L-O-G, blog. So today we will discuss about blog. Let me talk about blog. First of all, I tell you blog is just like your website. Then you can ask me, then what is the difference between blog and websites? So let me first of all differentiate what is a blog and website. If we talk about look wise, both are same, and name wise also your blog and website have a same name, but technically there is some difference, and the difference is in blog we post articles daily basis, but in a website we do not post articles daily basis. Your blog is updated every day, and your website is not updated every day. Now these are the few differences. Now come to blog. What we can use in a blog? Well, in a blog you can use your text, you can use your pictures, you can use your videos, you can use your links, and there are many websites which are providing you blog. For example, there is a Blogger from Google, and there is a WordPress. Now let me discuss about different type of a blog. If we talk about their different type, first of all there is a personal blog. Personal blog is written by the people who want to express their thoughts all over the world, like writers, like travel magazines, and they can write and express their thoughts all over the world. Second one is corporative blog, where big organization express their rules, regulation, they publish their circulars. Third type of blog is your forum blog, where bloggers ask questions, and other experts give their some feedback, so that they can improve their blogging. And fourth one is a review blog, where people make their blog and give their reviews about smartphones and hotels and about other things. So these are the different kind of a blog. When we are doing blogging, there are some do's and don'ts. Do's: first, be yourself. Be yourself mean to say, when you are writing an article, it should come from your heart. What are you feeling? Otherwise people read in newspaper, they read in new magazines. So your article should be unique, so that they would return back to your article, to your blog again and again. Second one is include images. When readers are reading your article, so there should be a relevant images, and that would give a feedback to your articles. Third one is use links. Use link to mean to say, when anyone is reading your articles, so there should be a lot of links, so that visitor could move around your blog and they would spend more time in your blogging. Last one is response to your readers. So when your reader gives comment, you also reply them like thank you very much for visiting my blog. There are some don't also that every blogger should avoid them if they want to improve their blogging experience. First one is limited blog. When a reader visits to your blog, they want content, so your blog should be contentful, more informative. So it should not be very lengthy, it should be up to the point. Second one is avoid grammatical mistake. So if you do grammatical mistake, it doesn't matter, but when you see your grammatical mistake, then improve them as soon as possible, so that the visitor will trust more on your blog. Now we have understood what is a blog. Now question rises, how can we make a blog? Yeah, you are right. So there are many platforms that provide us blogging services. So one by one we will discuss. First of all, let me discuss Blogger. This is a Google's product, and one more thing, it is a free of cost. So if anyone is starting their blogging career, they can start from a Blogger, because it is a free of cost and there is no need of anything, but just you need one Gmail account that everyone have. So you have a Gmail account and you can start your blogging. Second one is a WordPress, and this is a paid platform and it provides you a lot of features. Now let us differentiate between Blogger and WordPress. Blogger is a free platform, WordPress is a paid platform. As it is a free platform, so it provides you very basic services. There is not a very advanced feature. On the other hand, your WordPress is a paid platform, so it gives you plugin, so you can make your blog very attractive, more presentable. So now question arises, if we have a very poor internet connection and we want to do blogging, then what we will do? So there is also one solution. There are many free offline blog editors that you can install on your computer, and you can post on your Blogger, WordPress, when you have a very good internet connections. And for example, there is Cumana, and there is Window Live Writer and Blogdesk. So how they work? You would be wondering how we would use them. So what you have to do, you have to install on your computer. After installing, it would ask you what is your Bloggers or WordPress username and password. Then you know what they will do, these offline blog editors will connect with your Bloggers account or your WordPress account. So you have to enter your username and password, and it will connect with them. So whenever you have no internet connection, you can write their article, and when you have a very good internet connection, you can post them. So just now we discussed what is a blog, different type of a blog, and when we are doing blogging, what are their do's and don'ts. Next we discussed offline blog editor. So how was this video? It was informative, and I hope you learned something new. And I will give on a description box your blog's link. You can go there and you can read articles about different topics. And the next time, once again, I will come with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.